Hey, it's Nikki. Welcome back to my channel. I have a unboxing video as always. That's my thing right now. I'm doing unboxings, you know. Actually, I do have an ASMR channel that I haven't uploaded anything to in quite a while, but I will be doing one this week. I'm just waiting for the right time. Actually, the next ASMR video, let me just plug this in really quick. The next ASMR video I'm going to be doing is going to be on honeycomb. So if you want to see me eat honeycomb in ASMR, please go and subscribe to my ASMR channel. Please support me. I don't have that many subscribers. I just started it in January. But if you want to see me eat this in ASMR, go check that out. The link is in the description box below. Thank you. So on that note, today in the description of this video, I'm doing an unboxing video on, you know it, my favorite place online to get stuff. iHerb. I got a little bit of something, you know what I'm saying? You gotta spend $20 to get free shipping, so it's easy to spend $20. Plus, you get rewards, you get coupons. So I got like $6 in rewards and coupons. So it's like I got $30 of stuff for $20. Some 20 something. I don't know. Anyways, enough jabber jabber. Let's see what's in the box. This thing! Okay, let's not be silly now. Okay, so what I got was, this is what I got. I got this last time. If you've seen my unboxing for iHerb before, I got this. And I'm basically down to a little bit, so I ordered another one. It's my favorite vitamin E oil. Smells delicious. And it's this leaked out of the bottle a little bit. It's just got a little bit oiled up. This is the Jason Vitamin E Skin Oil. It has a nice almond smell to it. And you can put on all over. It says all over body nourishment, no parabens, sulfates, petroleum, phthalates, whatever, however you say that. This is vitamin E 5000 IU. And I got 2 of these. Unfortunately, my son found out that I got him one of these. I got one for each of my boys. And this is the bath bomb. It's a bath party pop-up surprise inside. So it's like a fizzy bath bomb with a little toy surprise in the middle. And the toy surprise was really small. It was like the size of the tip of my pinky, a little bit more. And it was a flat little squishy whale like little thing. It is very like, it's like a smell of citrus. A citrus slash powdery smell. And it's very strong. This smell is quite strong. But you know, it's not like, it could probably be overpowerful, but it was fine for me. It had a nice citrusy type uplifting smell, whatever. I got it for the thing inside. This was like $1 and change, I think. So I got 2 of those. And then I got this. I've been researching hair oils, and they said Jojoba or Jojoba. I don't know how to pronounce it properly, but this oil is said to be really good on your hair. Once a week, or once every 2 weeks, or maybe even once a month, because sometimes I just don't get to do it. I do a hot oil treatment on my hair. I have a glass vial and a squeeze dropper. So what I do is I fill the glass vial with my oil solution, which probably like will be this much. And then I put it inside a pan with water, and I do a double boiling effect to make it hot. And then once it's done, I take my dropper and then put it on my scalps. Oops, my hair. Put it in my scalp and then massage it. And then leave it there, and maybe if I'm gonna wash my hair the next day, I leave it there till the next day, or wash it, and then hot oil treatment. Boom. And then on top of that, I'll just use this when I wash my hair and I come out of the shower, and it's like in between damp and dry, or right when I come out of the shower, whatever. I'm just gonna put it in my hair, and I would put it all over my hair, and then I would just literally pull some on my ends and stuff. Last year I cut my hair to like right here, so it grew that much. And I'm like, oh, I'm getting my hair back. I miss my hair so much. It used to be down to my back, and I cut it. It was the worst mistake ever, because you know what? I could have just got a wig if I wanted to have that short hair temporarily. I did not enjoy it. I love my long hair. Love, love, love. I would love to take care of it. Whatever. But enough jibber jabbering. This is not a vlog. But if you like me jibber jabbering, then let me know. Okay. And the last thing I got to jack up the price a little bit, I don't know why I got two, but I had a reason of getting two. Oh, I have something else. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me do this first. I got two of these, and they come packaged really well. This is an essential oil by Now brand. Now is pretty good. I use that. That's the first essential oil brand I've ever used. This was on sale. This is a sticky bubble wrap. This was on sale. This is called Spike Lavender. And I had to research it. I'm like, what is Spike Lavender? Because I wanted lavender because it says certain essential oils are good for your hair to stimulate hair growth and healthy. And I wanted to use it in conjunction with my jojoba oil and my hot oil hair treatment. And also I have a essential oil diffuser that I use that I made a video on too. I'll post the link to that below. I guess I'll post my videos to my old unboxings of iHerb and my essential oil diffuser video down below, so you can check that out too if you're interested. So they use this type of napkin wrapped in that, so it's a good idea. And then they put a tape over it. Smart, very smart. And this is beautiful. Came out really well. So this is Spike Lavender. This is supposed to be more potent and powerful than regular lavender, like more healing, and I was surprised that it was on sale. So it's Spike Lavender. I never got this before. Let me smell it. It's pretty lavendery. So this is what this is. I got two, and that's gonna be with my hair thing. Alright, so the last thing I had in my box that I almost forgot is my Hurraw. I don't know, I always gotta buy a lip balm when I'm ordering from iHerb. I did a video on the only lip balm I will ever use, ever buy. I forgot what the title was, but this is it. I always buy at least one lip balm when I buy stuff from iHerb. And this is my favorite one. Absolute favorite. And I have a video explaining why this is my favorite and why I only buy Hurraw chapsticks. Definitely the best chapstick in the world. And this is like something you always use, chapstick. Like, oh my gosh, this is vanilla bean. I never got this one. I almost got all the flavors. I would get all the flavors if I actually liked them. Like, there's ones that I hate. I absolutely hate licorice, and they have licorice, so I would never get that. But they have like other ones like lime. I didn't get that. Root beer, coffee, chocolate, lemon. I was gonna get lemon, but I took it out of my cart. I was like, I'll get that next time. But I got vanilla bean. I'm not gonna open this because I have tons of them lying around all over the place that I open. And there's one over there I'm looking at, but anyways, this is vanilla bean. They have tons and tons and tons of flavor. They have tons of flavors, and these are so good. I highly recommend it. Highly, highly recommend it. So that's it. That's all I got from iHerb. And I suggest you go ahead and check out iHerb. They have tons of supplements and health and beauty stuff, bath stuff, hair stuff, anything you need. You can just check it out. I'll put the link in the description. And if you are interested in buying anything in there, I have a coupon code. It's in the description box. And you can get, I think it's 5 or 10% off. They switch it on and off sometimes, but it's $20. You have to spend $20 for free shipping, and you get rewards. You sign up. It's pretty good. When I first bought something on there for the first time, I was just like, okay, I'm just buying something on here. But the things are so good and at such good prices. Like, it's cheaper than this. They sell this at my local health food store, like literally 5 minutes away. Like, I could walk there in 5 minutes. and they have organic stuff and everything, and they sell this there for like $8 something, and I got this for like $4 or something like that. I don't know, but it's so much cheaper. And just, you know, just tag along stuff to equal $20 of stuff. You know, there's millions of stuff on there, literally, and tons of essential oils, chapsticks, you name it, tons of stuff. So information down below if you're interested. And that's all for my video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.